Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you very specifically how to make your lettuce grow bigger. And these will be things that work. That's right, if you want to make your lettuce grow bigger, this is the video for you. These are things that actually work. In this video, I'll be going over 5 specific things, and they actually work. You have to use them, you have to implement them, but they are super practical and really easy to do, and you can get your lettuce to grow bigger. This is some lettuce, this is more lettuce, that's more lettuce that's bigger, and that over there is lettuce that's even bigger. And there's some over there that's even bigger, okay? So these are things that work. Let's get into this. Number one, starting off with number one. Number one is use nutrient-rich soil. You want to choose the right soil. You don't want to just use any soil. You don't want to just use regular dirt. You want to use nutrient-rich soil. There's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into choosing nutrient-rich soil. So do your research, but figure out what you need to include in your soil or which pre-mixed soil you need to use that is nutrient-rich that will help your lettuce grow bigger, grow faster, and just grow better than ever before. So nutrient-rich soil is a key factor. That's number one. Moving on to number two. Number two is make sure your soil drains well, okay? So the idea is you want your soil to be moist but not soaking wet. So in order to make sure that your soil drains well, okay, you need to make sure you choose the right soil that drains well and the right surrounding that drains well. If you choose the right soil and surrounding that both drain well, then you're going to have soil that is basically moist but not soaking wet. So make sure your soil is draining well and keeping it, and it is basically, when you're watering it, it is basically staying moist but not soaking wet. And that is done by choosing the right soil that drains well and the surrounding that drains well as well. So drainage is a key factor. That's number two. Moving on to number three. Number three, water but don't overwater. So when your lettuce is growing like this, you want to basically water it every day for the most part. And if you have some extremely hot days, then you want to water it twice on those extremely hot days. But every day is usually more than enough when the lettuce is like this. When the lettuce is smaller, when it's a seedling or when it's sprouting, so when it's just a seed or when it's sprouting, you want to water it every other day. It doesn't need as much water, so water it every other day. And when it's smaller in its seed form or its sprouting form, if you have an extremely hot day, then extremely hot couple days, then you can water it every day. So the idea is that if you have regular weather, when the lettuce is growing like this, water it every day. When it's a seed or sprouting, water it every other day. And if you have extremely hot days, then just double that amount of watering, okay? That's basically the idea. You want to water it to keep the soil moist, but don't overwater it because, you don't want the soil to be soaking wet. So water, but don't overwater. So just a good balance that you have to figure out for yourself, but I gave you some guidelines to work with. That was number three. Moving on to number four. Number four, give each plant enough space to grow. When you plant, you want to make sure each plant has enough space to grow. When each plant has enough space to grow, you're going to encourage it to grow bigger, okay? To grow better, to grow faster, just to be a better plant. So when you're planting them, okay, you can see this is filled up big time. But when you're planting them, make sure each seedling is far enough away from each other that essentially it's going to have enough space to grow. So yeah, when you're planting them, make sure there's enough space to grow. You can see over there, there's like 2 plants right there. So you can see they're just a little bit separated. That's the idea. You don't want to have massive space in between when it's growing, but when you're planting them, you need enough space in between. You want them to basically grow like this. You want them to just grow and fill in the growing area. But in order to do that, when you're planting the seed, they need to be spaced far away from each other, far enough away from each other. I don't even know if I'm wording that right, but they need to be far away from each other, decently far away from each other when you're planting the seeds in order to grow like this and fill in like this. So that's number four. Moving on to the last one right for this video, which is number five. Number five, harvest the outer leaves to encourage more growth, okay? So you want to harvest the outer leaves to encourage more growth. Essentially, when your outer leaves are big enough to eat, like this is almost there, but if you look over there, those outer leaves are big enough to eat, you want to harvest them. When you harvest those outer leaves, what you're going to do is you're going to tell the plant that it needs to grow more, right? You're taking out the outer leaves, so it's like, oh, I need to fill in where the person took out the leaves, and I need to grow more, which will allow it to grow bigger. That's the idea. You want it to grow bigger, okay? So if you want bigger lettuce, those are some pieces of advice for you. I believe, I don't think I skipped a number. In my head, I'm like, did I skip a number? But there was 5 of them. I believe that I went over all 5 as far as I know. I don't think I skipped the number. Anyways, the idea is like, you know, I'm not going to go over each tip or each piece of advice again, but the idea is you want to tend to the plant, make sure you're placing it in the right location, okay? Make sure you're watering it well, make sure the water is draining out well, make sure you're harvesting it properly. Okay, make sure you're spacing it properly. Just make sure you're treating it with respect and with some love and care. And if you show the plant that you care about it and you take the time every day to do the things to encourage growth, it will indeed grow bigger. That's the idea. You want bigger lettuce, this is the video for you. So that's it. Like I said, those are the tips, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. So yeah, I have nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.